I'm Patrick Bailey with whiteboardcoder.com. Today is July 26, 2015, and this is my first video showing 5 handy things you can do in Vi. Now first, I'm going to show you what environment I'm in, just in case there are a few different versions of Vi out there, but most of anything I'm going to do is going to be very typical. So I'm in Ubuntu 14.04, and if I get into Vi just real quickly, you can actually do a version to list the version of Vi. And so really I'm using Vim in this case, the improved version 7.4. Just in case there's some variants that you can't do, that's what I'm using. Okay, I am also using a keyboard program to help visualize what I'm typing. Just in case I gloss over something too quickly, you can kind of pick it up on the keyboard there. Okay, so first, let me open up a file here that I had previously. This is just a file I made before on for backing up a Postgres database. So the first thing is how to set the line numbers. You can come in here, go into command mode, and do set NU. And you have line numbers. Hooray! Very useful. You can also do, to turn that off, you can do set off NU. Oh wait, no, set no NU. There we go, to turn it off. Now you can also do set number, it's the same thing, or set no number. Let's just do set NU. So now we have line numbers. Now the second handy thing you can do, you can yank multiple lines at the same time on the command, in command mode. So I'll go in here to command mode, and you can, I'm going to copy lines 14 to 21. So I can go in here and do 14 to 21 and put a Y in there for yank, and I copied them. And I can go down here and now I can do a post. Hit P and post them. So they got yanked just fine. Now to undo that, I can just do U for undo. And that's how you can yank multiple lines. Number 3. Deleting multiple lines. Kind of the same thing. I can go here 14, 21, D for delete, and they're deleted. I'll undo that real quickly. So you can delete multiple lines. Number 4, inserting characters in front of a line. This is kind of useful and cool. I like this. So what I can do is I can designate some line numbers, 14 to 18, and I can run this command. And I think it's just basically a sed command. And I can say before the line, insert the pound symbol to comment out those lines. And they've been commented out. And I can do undo to undo that real quickly. Number 5, deleting the first character of a line. I bring this up because I was doing this before. Let me do 21. So I've commented all those out real quickly, so if I want to run something, but now if I want to undo that, what I can do, if I just want to undo that section, I can do this. I can go the first character, delete it, replace it with nothing. And there we go. So those are the 5 things you can do. Now I'm going to do a few other little odds and ends using those commands, just to show you some other cool things you can do with them. So I can go from the first line, and the $sign means the end of the file, and I can use that and comment everything out, stick a pound symbol in the front. And so now the whole file has been updated. Now I can also go, of course, and delete that. Oh, there we go. And undo it. I could have hit undo, but you may not be in a condition where you may not be in a position where you can undo things, but that's how you can insert something before a line and delete the first character of a line easy enough. Another neat thing you can do, you can actually, you can reference where you're at. So I can say from the first line to dot where I currently am, which I think is probably line 17 or 18. Well, let me just do that. Okay, I'll go to line 16. So I can say from the first line to where I'm at, which happens to be line 16, insert pound symbol. There we go. I'll just undo that real quickly with a U. Now I can come in here and say, okay, from where I'm at to the end, replay, insert the pound symbol before the line, before the beginning of the line. It goes all the way to the end. Now to get back where I was, since it jumped me all the way to the beginning, I can do a Control O, and now I'm back here. Okay, and I'll just hit undo. So that's it for this tutorial. There's 5 handy things you can do in Vi. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @WhiteboardCoder, view any code I might have thrown up as a guest at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at www.whiteboardcoder.com.